the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 6-core 12-thread unlocked desktop processor with Wraith Stealth cooler. It does come with its own cooler. This is the cooler. This is not a liquid cooler. This is air cooler with a heat sink there. The reason I picked this card is because this particular model, the AMD Ryzen 5 3600, is used on almost all of the major pre-built systems, and most of the gaming PC manufacturers and retailers who are building systems are using this card. Is very, very good. What you're getting here is a solid mid-tier gaming processor. You're going to be able to likely play 1440p games on. Let's double check here on the hierarchy, see where it lies. The 600 version, this is us. It actually has a higher 1440p score. So this is the 77.72. It's its 1440p gaming score, which is higher. So if you were going to look for a great processor for 1440p score gaming here, this is a good score. You're in a really solid mid-range line of processors here.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 gaming creator bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.